Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the really nice and awesome GVM 560 LED video light set. Dimmable Bi-Color options. It is in 2-pack. For photography lighting. And there is more. It is possible to control this entire lighting system up to 11 devices with an app. App intelligent control system. Lighting awesome for YouTube studio. Outdoor video lighting kit awesome. 2300K up to 6800K are possible. The CIR is 97 plus. That's a lot, and that's awesome. But the really awesome thing is the app intelligent control system. The light equipped with mobile app control function can be controlled by our smart mobile device. Of course, Android above 4.0 and iOS above 9.0. To search and download the GVM app in major app store, such as Apple Store and Google Play Store, it says as well. And it's really easy to adjust this. You have to download it, then switch on the billions. After this, find the billions in or on your Wi-Fi network. If you paired it with your smartphone, it's really easy after that, because then you can control it. Damn, awesome. Of course, you can always make a master mode for the photography light automatically as a master mode when switching on the machine. We have to open the GVM Easily app on the mobile phone. Meanwhile, turn on the Wi-Fi on the phone too. We have to register the app account. As long as the email format is correct, the email account password can be entered at easily. Job's done. This is really easy. After this, we will log in automatically. Then, in the main menu, in the app switch, the device select a single or double color temperature light. Then the main menu in app set select switch Wi-Fi, and then we connect the photography light, for example. The Wi-Fi initial username is GVM LED. The password is GVM bottom line admin. And then we can start and control it by an app. That's awesome. GVM 560S LED lights is a professional photo and video LED light set with a slim aviation aluminum body that is light and simple. The high-quality LED bulbs live can reach 70 hours and more. It's a varied power supply methods. That's the second awesome thing I think on this set here is that we can make two options to get the energy into it. It can be powered by the DC adapter, which is included, 2 of them, that we can use when we are shooting indoors. Or we can use the NPF mount batteries when outdoor shooting. It's portable and easy to carry. Really awesome. You have 2 ways to get the power into it. The first thing is the cord, easy cord, and then the easy cordless model. But you will need 2 lithium-ion batteries for that. But it's not hard because a lot of the battery kinds are on the market. And of course, if you are using a cam, for example, I think it was a Sony cam, this is the same dimension and the same setup for that power supply. You can see it's easy. The GVM 560AS supports to adjust the brightness and the color temperature. The color temperature range from 2300K to 6800K, and K is Kelvin. This is the temperature. This is the good old light temperature. For example, the light temperature 1700K. This is a matte flame. low pressure sodium lamps. For example, 3000 K are warm, white, compact, fluorescent, and LED lamps. Possible here. And then we go to, for example, 6500. This is daylight, overcast. That you can see, you can adjust this light system easily to a warm white or cold white. And, of course, between these 2 points are so many temperature setups or settings possible that you can find your right light. And the tripods are so nice because you can lift them up to, I think it was 2 meters and more. The GVM 560 AS supports not only the good old Kelvin from 2300 to 6800, it is equipped with 560 high color rendering CRI 97 plus LED beads to help us restore the true colors. With a digital LCD screen, the display, and a stable system that support 360 rotations improve the light control. The stepless adjustment is used to control the brightness, color, temperature, which brings great convenience to our shooting. And that's really professional. We can use an angle adjustment. The adjustable U-mount bracket makes the light toward different angles for the best shooting dimensions. And we have an LCD screen display. It provides an ungraded color temperature knob on the left side, and this is for the time temperature itself, and no additional color filter required. Fully satisfied people lighting need. On the right side, we can dim it from 10% to 100%. And 100% is really good. Woo! You can see that here. We have a U-sharp bracket design. It can rotate 360 degrees freely according to our shooting needs to achieve the multi-angle shooting for photography lighting. And it supports shooting positions. It supports disassembly change the LED video light positions, which brings great convenience to our shootings itself. And on top is the good and awesome app intelligent control system. The GVM LED video lights equipped with a mobile app control function. It can be controlled by our smart device. It supports to adjust the brightness and color temperature. And you can see there is a soft diffuser. The GVM LED video lights panel illuminates a variably wide balance from tungsten daylight 2300K to 6800K color temperature. Satisfy all lighting needs for our photography. And everything is equipped with durable handbag. The GVM LED video lights handbag. They specially designed a durable handbag to ensure that it can barely fall, anti-collision and anti-pressure. The handbag is made of EVA materials about 0.5 inches thick, and it can, with the end of 60 pounds of pressure, strong packaging will protect our LED video lights from any possible damage. It's a really awesome thing, and it's really easy to use this professional movie and photo lighting content bringing device set here, because we have a lot of them. We can say welcome to the LED 480 LS or GVM 560S is possible too. This product is specially designed for senior photography enthusiasts. The product is suitable for live outdoor studio photography and also for YouTube video shooting, as I'm using it now. The main features are stepless adjustable dual color temperature features, and the color range is awesome, with high color rendering index LED lamp beads, which is helpful to restore and enrich the color of objects and provide us with natural and vivid shooting effects, and an app intelligent control system, which can be controlled by our intelligent mobile device. And the app is for free, of course. We have a digital display screen and a stable system, which can support 360 degrees rotations and effectively control the light line. We can also install folding and external soft lights board for avoid redundant light and make the light softer. We can customize the control of fill light so that we can easily shoot the desired results. And they are firmly believe that the correct use of this product will definitely help us. And it's really easy to use, as you can see. There are only a little bit of screws, which we can not hands-free, but tools-free operating. And it's a tripod. On the tripod, we can dock instantly this LED set on it. You do not have to build a soft big cube as well. You don't have to do so much. Only get this tripod in position and then get the light on top. And then of course you can choose. Use battery package, 2 of them, or you can use the electricity power out of the socket. It's from GVM. It's a photography light. It's a photography fill light. And we have really much stuff. 560 beats. The color rendering index is more than 97. The color temperature is 2300K to 6800K. That's awesome. The luminance is, wow, that's a lot. 13,500 lux. Wow. And 3,800 lux after 1 meter. That's really good luminance. The function characteristic is an app high color rendering index, light beats. The light angle of the lamp beats are 45 degrees. The power is 30 watt. The power supply mode is DC input, and it's possible to work with batteries. 2 options. Awesome. The power specifications are DC 15 watt, 3 ampere. The voltage is possible from 100 to 240 voltage. That means you can use it nearly all over the world. The weight is approximately 1 kilogram. That's not so heavy. The battery which you will need should be 7.4 watt with 4,400 milliampere hours, 2 of them. And this is purchased separately, okay? The size is 260 to 265 to 48 millimeters. And the heat dissipation is naturally way. Then the brightness adjusting, a stepless adjustment by using the knob, and it's really awesome. You can do that really nice in style of adjustment. The color temperature adjustment is stepless adjustment on the other side. So you can do that really professional. And it comes with an external diffuser with a mounting screw hole on the top side, a soft light spot, and a locking mouth. Then we have an LED lamp beads on the front, an angle fixing knob right and left, and we have a good U-frame made out of aluminum. We have a lamp rack interface to dock it onto our tripod, which is included, 2 of them. Then we have on the back side a cooling hole on the upside, cooling hole on the bottom side. This is important because if you have a long shooting, it says as well, you will need to get the hot stuff out of these pinions. Then we have an adapter interface, which is on the left side. Then we have a battery tank, 2 of them. We have a Wi-Fi reset button if there is some problems with Wi-Fi connection. We have an indicator light which tells us the adjustable movement things like the color temperature adjusting knob option or the brightness control. And we have a power switch. If we are going to use battery, then we go to mode number 2 on left side. If we are going to get the power by using the standard way of powerness, we have to switch to 1. It's really easy and it comes with a good solution for our awesome and professional photo shooting. It brings us the best light I ever seen before. It's really the best light, and the light is so tiny, so cute, so small. It's not a big thing. It's a small and really powerful LED package which you can control on top by using an app control. And of course, take care if you are going to use it by using the app. Your Wi-Fi username is GFM LED and Wi-Fi password is GFM admin. After you logged in the first time, you can replace these meanings and you can override it. No problem. We have to not put the product in highly humid, strong electromagnetic fields, direct sunlight, high temperature environments. If it is not in use, we have to switch it off, of course, and disconnect it. If we are going to clean it, we have to disconnect the power plug and use a wet cloth rather than any detergent or solute in liquid, avoiding of damaging the surface layer. It's easy, isn't it? Yes, it is. And make sure the power is in the damned range, not too high or too low. Correctly load of the battery in order not to damage the machine. So, load your batteries, get them in position, and then you can have fun with that devices. That is the really awesome GVM 560 LED video light set. It's dimmable and it comes with Bi-Color mode. And 2 of them are in one pack. And you can go with your app up to 11 of them. It's a professional photography lighting set with app intelligent control system. That's lighting for YouTube, studio, outdoor, video lighting kit, which is really awesome. I like it really much, and it comes from 2300K up to 6800K, and with an CRI from 97 plus. And this is the best lighting product I ever used before. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.